I thought I did a pretty good job making my intro video for Cambly Kids. I was feeling like it turned out pretty well. But then I got the email. You know the one. The one that says your video should be clear and should follow our dress code. But wait, what? To help explain their very concise email, I'm going to share 5 things from Cambly that will help you get your video approved. The first thing you want to do is to know your audience, specifically to know who your audience will be. I assumed my audience would be my potential students. I thought I'd be introducing myself to children and surely they would want a fun and colorful minute and a half. Again, I was wrong. The people watching my video are the same people who decide if I'll be hired or not, and it turns out they want something much, much simpler. They want a video of me in my quiet space, talking about myself without a lot of visual distractions. Got it. You know who you are. You like extra flash and flare in your videos. But then again, you may not know any of those people. Hello. Hello. My name is Teacher Allison, and okay, I'm one of those people. And generally speaking, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Unless you're applying to Cambly, they want to keep it super simple, kind of like we said at number 1. So drop all the extra editing and move it back down to the basic. My mistake number 3. Cambly likes to see your face on the screen. That means anytime that I switch to another scene where my face wasn't showing, that was a definite no-no. So when you are recording your intro for Cambly, make sure they see your lovely mug the entire time. But did they seriously not see how cute my dogs are? I mean, come on, they're so much cuter than me. Now number 4 is kind of the corollary of number 3. They do want to see your face, they do not want to see other people's faces. Even if you're using stock photos or stock videos, they want to see your face. Just remember, your face, good. Other faces, not good. And mistake number 5, don't make your intro videos so generic that they don't know it's for Cambly. You may want to drop the word Cambly somewhere in your video. You know, I tutor at Cambly. I love Cambly. Cambly changed my life. My toe fungus was healed when I was with Cambly. You get the point. You know, I'm starting to see a bit of a pattern here. Maybe I am just a little too dramatic in these videos. So now you know exactly what you need to do to make a fantastic intro video for Cambly. If you need any additional helps, I have a video queued up right here for you. I'll see you there.